Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you how to enable event broadcasting through proxy ports. Now, the idea of broadcasting or multicasting is simple, but there are a couple of variations. First, external broadcasting. On this block definition diagram, we have one instance of a block connected to three other instances through proxy ports. Now, these ports all have a multiplicity of 1, but we want to send a single event from this instance and have that broadcast to all of its connected instances. On this diagram, we have the same thing, except the sender is a child instance that wants to broadcast via its parent's proxy port. Lastly, we have an internal broadcast, where a single event received by this parent through its proxy port is automatically broadcast to all of its children, again through their proxy ports. Now, unfortunately, Rhapsody does not support any of these mechanisms. If I try to build this model, then I get a bunch of unintelligible compiler errors in the build panel. Now, let's set this component as active. But before we try to build this one, let's look at what's different. Here in locally overridden properties, you can see I've overridden a single property, CPP-CG class simplify, and that's been set to by user post default, which just means that Rhapsody performs its own usual internal simplification activities and then checks for any user supplied ones. Now, the Power Pack does supply such a simplifier, so as long as this property is set, it's used automatically. Let's set that one building. This time, we get no obscure compiler errors, the model compiles correctly and starts to run. Now, all three of those use cases are supported, and in this sample model supplied with the Power Pack, we have sequence diagrams that demonstrate them. If I click go, then there are animated sequence diagrams showing the broadcasting of those events. So if you want to broadcast events through proxy ports, all you need is the Power Pack and a single property change. If you want to know more about simplifiers, then there is a more detailed explanation here in the Power Pack help. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of this series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.